The Stanley R. Mickelsen Safegaurd Missile Site and Radar Complex, located near the village of Nekoma in the northeastern corner of North Dakota and just 14 miles south of the town of Langdon, was constructed from 1970 to 73 and functioned as an anti-ballistic missile facility during the height of the Cold War. Installation of operational equipment and missiles took place between 1973 and 75, and the base was fully operational until February of 76. The site sits on a total of 196 acres and includes a former tactical area which contains the missile fields, 2 bunkers, and the missile site control building, also known as the Pyramid. The tactical area covers approximately 120 acres. Aside from the tactical area, there's approximately 75 open acres, which includes the former settling ponds. This area could be regraded and is available for development. The Universal Missile Building is a reinforced, concrete-hardened, non-debris-forming single-story structure with earth embankment covering the roof and 3 sides. Non-debris-forming means that if it were to be hit by a bomb, it wouldn't send debris flying through the air. The UMB offers 4,284 square feet of floor area. It contains both a high base section and a low roof area. Out-to-out building dimensions are 119 by 36 feet and 25 feet in height at the high bay and 14 feet in height at the low roof area. The Warhead Handling Building is a reinforced concrete, non-debris-forming, single-story structure with earth embankment covering the roof and 3 sides. The building offers approximately 1,421 feet of floor area with out-to-out dimensions of 35 by 43 feet and 27 feet in height. When in operation, the site's missile field contained 30 Spartan missiles and 16 Sprint missiles. The Sprint missile silos are indicated by the round lids, and the Spartan missile lids are identified by the 2 square lids. The Missile Site Control Building, or Pyramid, contains 127,384 feet of usable floor space. The underground power plant, which is connected to the Missile Site Control Building, contains 108,029 square feet of usable floor space for a total of 235,413 square feet. The 3-foot exterior walls were designed for vertical load bearing and as one-way or two-way slabs for dynamic lateral loads normal to the walls. The foundation of the Missile Site Control Building is that of a 4-foot thick slab, thickened at outer walls and at concentration of load-bearing areas. When in operation, about 3/5 of the Missile Site Control Building required EMP RFI shielding, and an 11-gauge steel liner plate shielding was provided for the entire building. The thermal storage tank, or heat sink, is comprised of a nuclear-hardened underground tank with exposed roof. It was designed to hold 7,866,087 gallons of fluid that would absorb the heat generated in the Missile Site Control Building and power plant. The underground concrete tank is connected to the power plant by 2 lines, a 20 and a 24-inch, both approximately 312 feet in length. These lines are enclosed in an 8-foot diameter corrugated steel pipe tunnel for 92 feet as they leave the heat sink and for an additional 94 feet as they enter the power plant. For more details or information about the Stanley R. Mickelsen Safegaurd Complex, contact the Cavalier County Job Development Authority office in Langdon at 701-256-3475.